We're gonna start our greater than, less than, okay? So here's one example. Okay, we're gonna start easy. 3 is what? Greater than or less than 1. So our greater gator is our alligator, and he opens his mouth towards the bigger number. It's kind of hard to write sideways, sorry. Okay, so here's our greater gator. Now let's draw him. Here's his eye. So here's our greater gator. He is going to open his mouth towards the bigger number. 3 is greater than 1. Well, let's see, let's switch these numbers around. What if it said 1 and 3? Which way would the greater gator go? Would it still be going towards the 1? Now it's turning and it's going this way. So our greater gator is going towards the bigger number, 3. 1 is less than, that's where the point is, it's less, it's littler. 3, 1 is less than 3. 3 is greater than 1. All right, let's ramp it up. We've reviewed, now let's get harder numbers, okay? All right, ready? Is 21 greater than or less than 24? Which one comes first? 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 is bigger. So our greater gator, his mouth is going to open towards the 24. Right? So 21 is less than 24. Let's do another one. 43. Is 43 greater than or less than 90? Which one is smaller? Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? 43 is less than. Our mouth, a greater gator, is opening towards the number that is greater. So 43 is less than 90. Good. Let's do another one. Okay. 74 and 64. Which one is greater? The 7, let's look in our tens place. Our tens place is the second number. Our tens place is the first number we're going to look at. Which one is bigger? The 7 is bigger. So 74 is greater than, so our mouth, our greater gator, is going to be open towards, hard writing left hand, the 74. Okay, let's do one with, okay, let's do this one. One more, and then we're going to change it up. $50. Is it greater than or less than or equal to 50? It's the same number, so we're going to put equal. Okay. All right. Are you ready for something even harder? I think you guys are. Now we're going to do base 10 blocks, okay? So this, I'm going to do a bar, and this has 10 on the bar, okay? These single squares, remember our little blocks in class, are just worth 1. So this big bar is worth 10, and these are worth 1. My markers are going out. I need to get some new markers for my board. have to use black. All right, so we've got a 10 block, and we've got some three ones. So 10 plus 3 ones is what number? 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now let's do some other blocks. Here's a 10 block. Here's a 10 block. And here's 2. Okay, so this is worth 10. Do my lines. All right, so we've got 10, 20, 21, 22. So our number is 22. Okay, so are these blocks 13 greater than or less than these blocks 22? Less than. Okay, the greater gator goes towards, whoops, his eyeball right there, goes towards the larger number. So you can do this with anything. It can be objects that we're looking at. Let's say we've got some balls, okay? And let's say we've got, well, we'll just do the same. Okay, which one is greater than or less than? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 balls is greater than or less than 4. Greater. The greater gator is open his mouth towards the bigger one. So you can do this with any kind of objects, with 10 blocks, anything. Okay, so try some of these at home. All right.